The reason why one is able to charge more and one is not able to charge more as a coach or mentor is they are able to articulate the value that they can provide. Because to get somebody from outside to the conference room or a webinar or workshop, that's where you'll need your positioning, your marketing and all that thing. You've used your branding, you got them here. But what do you do in the workshop or in the webinar is one is able to articulate a bigger value than the other one. The one who is charging 1 lakh has been able to articulate bigger value than the one who's only charging 20,000. So how do you articulate the bigger value? See, you are in the business of providing certainty in this uncertain world through what you do. And how you articulate what you do is going to decide how certain you are and how much value you bring to the table. Because when people are investing in your program, they're literally looking at what is the certainty level that you are at, and the only way you will be able to articulate the certainty and the value is by your framework, the uniqueness that you have and the process that you follow, which is different than the person who has 20,000 and different than the person 30,000, 40,000, you're charging 1 lakh rupees. So your framework, your value proposition and your program is going to give them higher confidence in you and your program, and then they'll invest bigger amount. And what you have to do, irrespective of how many years of experience other person has and knowledge and talent the person has, if the other person is not able to articulate their knowledge in a systematic, combined way, structured way, which looks professional, feels professional, and articulate the bigger value, then the person was not able to sell the bigger ticket if they're not able to articulate in a big way. So today's session is all about, yes, as Ron mentioned, it's about the process, unique value proposition and the framework. That differentiates between an amateur person, though they have a lot of years of experience, versus a professional who is world class. And when I learned these things, it literally changed my business. And I learned this by connecting the dots backward. I stumbled upon a lot of frameworks and I built my frameworks not knowing the scientific way of doing it. But now what you're going to learn today, you will learn the scientific way of building the framework and processes.